welcome! Hi, I'd like this one. Pick a type of flower to make the lipstick. Rose. Welcome to my garden. Help me cut some roses. Let's gather the flowers. Let's make the lipstick. Let's pick the flower petals. Pick one item to process the flower petals. Roll the flowers to extract some juice. We can use the flower juice to make the lipstick. To make the lipstick, we need beeswax. Weigh the beeswax on the scale. To make the lipstick, we also need flower juice. Weigh the flower juice on the scale. The ingredients for lipstick is ready. Turn off the stove. Pour the lipstick mixture into the mold. Uh-oh, that's too much. Let's try again. Let's put the lipsticks in the refrigerator to let it freeze. Press the button on the refrigerator. Stop freezing the lipsticks. Uh-oh, the lipsticks didn't freeze well. Let's start all over again. Press the button on the refrigerator. Pick a packaging for the lipstick.